Hello everyone. It's been a long time. It's been a very long time. Many years. But I'm here doing a little trial, see if my loyal subscribers are still around. I do watch videos, quite a few of them. Darren's, I'm always picking up Darren's, and it's good to see him back doing stuff. Me, I've been busy. It's been a tough few years. My dad got vascular dementia about 5 years ago, possibly more than that, and yeah, if you know of anybody that's had that, got it, whatever, you have my full sympathy, because that is one nasty disease. It's horrible, absolutely horrible, and sadly we lost him last July, which at the time was pretty, I was okay with it. You know, when you see somebody go through that, and you see somebody go through it and you actually live it, you're living it with them almost. I mean, it started off with silly things, really. Sorry, you have to excuse me, I've got my heater on. I'll talk about that in a minute. It started with silly things, you know, sort of like forgetting things and acting a bit strange. But it escalated big time. And in time, it actually shut down different parts of his body. And sort of just doing the simplest thing was impossible. He just didn't understand. He didn't understand that he wasn't doing it right, or. But anyway, I'm not going to go into depth about that. It's just it was nasty. He died last July, and it hit me over the Christmas period. Still with me now, suffering quite a lot, miss him like fucking crazy, but I know he's in a better place. But he ended up being in a hospital bed in our living room for 6 months because he broke his hip as well, over a silly little thing. He was obsessed by a little gap in the curtains in the living room, and he had to get up and use his walking stick to try and poke, and he fell backwards, landed sort of sideways, broke his hip. There's just so much. I'm not going to go on about it anymore. I hope everybody's doing good. I've been watching a lot of recapping, actually, over a lot of videos that everybody used to do back in, bloody hell, 6, 7, 8 years ago. So that's been nice, you know, sort of bring back things. You probably noticed that the wall behind me is different. I've got a new shop, which is costing me a lot of money. But hopefully the last job I do in this would have paid that off. I'll give you a little tour in a minute. And I'm back in the saddle, as they say, trying to put in full hours without causing me too much distress. Anyway, I'll give you a little tour of my shop. So here it is. It looks bigger because I've got this phone on. I'm recording this with my phone, actually, as a test instead of getting a video camera out. But it's got that sort of wide angle look, which I'd like, but it makes it look like I've got a massive shop, but it isn't really. It's 27 foot long by 14 foot wide, so just enough so you can, even the biggest car, you can open the doors fully, you know, no big deal. Anyway, It's all timber, apart from a little brick wall at the bottom, with an insulated roof, and I'm heating it at the moment with my air conditioner I found on Facebook Marketplace. It cost me £25, and it's doing a sterling job. It's rated at 8 kilowatt output. Sorry, not 8, 7. And I've just got this tube because I've got my original heater. You may remember back in the day I had this heater, and the Arga service guy helped me with a burner for it, but I actually haven't had a chance to properly install it. So I did that, which is working really well actually. It keeps the temperature quite good throughout the day, although it's going to take a while to warm that up. This is a piece of donkey shite I'm working on at the moment, and I've actually had this here since last March, but with Dad being increasingly more sick, I guess, at the time I didn't have time out here. It was almost 24/7 with Dad, which was horrible. It's a Mark II Jag. It's actually a 3.4 manual with overdrive and factory power steering, which is quite unusual, I've been told. It wasn't too bad. The doors were completely buggered. In fact, one of them I'm not happy about it. I should have got new skins for it, but that one at the back there was completely the bottom half of the door was basically gone. And with these things, although it doesn't sound a lot, they have these little drains, okay, like that. Now, it doesn't seem much, but making up those little brackets on all 4 doors is a pain in the arse. Anyway, that's what I'm working on at the moment. I'm doing filler work today. I've got 2 ton of filler and a load of gear that I picked up yesterday. So yeah, that's my shop. You have to excuse, I'm a little bit sort of here, there and everywhere, because it's the first time I made a video in quite a while, so I'm sort of getting back into it, if you like. Let's have a quick look on the outside. There it is. Looks pretty from outside. Got my compressor shed. Nice double glazed windows. And an electric door at the front. So it serves its purpose really well. My fan outlet. It does a good job. It's fully insulated, so warming it up is no problem, because once it's warmed up it will stay warm. This is my little... Look at the state of this. That's bad. I need to clean it up. Yeah, it's good. And I've got this map. A world map. Don't ask me why, but if you want a little marker wherever you may be in the world, put the state you're in, say, America, or the town and state, or anywhere in the world, and I will put a little dot with your name on it. So it's sort of like the old sticker board, but a little bit more primitive. Anyway, I've got to get on. So I'd better get my filler out, put my overalls on, rub down filler. It's quarter to 9 in the morning. It's January. We haven't had any snow this year. Hope we don't. Yeah, that's about all I've got to say at the moment. Like I say, this is a bit of a tricky one, because the whole of life is completely different to what it was those years ago. So making a video is very strange. in this environment. But anyway, thank you everyone for watching. I'll get my act together. I might do another video later just to show you what I've done today. Probably won't be a lot. And we'll go from there. So have a good day, everyone. Hi, Darren. VW Darren. He's sort of like family now, really. So, hi, Darren. Tommy Shoe. Hello, Tommy Shoe. Keep watching your videos. Do like it. Piece of corn dog and all that. But I can't use those words because they're not mine to use. They are Tommy's. So if you want a bit of piece of pizza, piece on earth, piece of corn dog, go see Tommy. Right, that's it for now, guys. I will see you later, hopefully.